Permiso para hablar en inglés. Ven despacito, okay? We can dance afterwards. The boundaries of the virtual and the physical world have ended, right? The pandemic really accelerated this transformation about being sometimes even 100% digital. We millennials and Gen X really had to develop ourselves into this digital world. Before Generation Z, this wasn't necessary. They were born in the digital world with smartphones and tablets in their hands. I don't know where to. Okay. One more. I kind of consider them hyper-connected, right? And sometimes older generation thinks that they spend too much time online. The data is that they spend about 8 hours online, and that doesn't include work. And we think about that kind of in a negative way. But actually, for Gen Z, the online life is simply life. Through study, we see that the real life for Gen Z has no difference between online and offline, right? The thing that we see is that they're creating avatars in the digital platforms representing their ideal selves, living that, based on their values and aspirations. Their smartphones and tablets, and luckily enough, majority in Latin America are galaxies, are gateways or portals for friendships, hobbies, entertainment, and even profession, right? We got esports, we got influencers, streamers. So they're using all of that through our devices. Now, why should Samsung be part of the metaverse? First, we really think it's real. The second, it's dynamic. And the third one is really bold. There are no limits in the metaverse, just like our brand. So it would be just a natural fit for us to go into the metaverse for the first time. With this in mind, we wanted to create a multi-digital experience for our consumers so that they can experience the brand anywhere, at any time, specifically through their smartphones as you're using right now. Okay. So why are we here in the Impact? You're the first time we're telling this to someone. We're launching the Galaxy Z inside of Fortnite for the Latin American public. This is a project done by Latin Americans for Latin Americans. You're going to see three main areas. We're going to have three main areas in which the consumer or the player can experience product innovation and brand attitude through this multi-device experience in a multi-digital environment, right? So I would like to welcome you to Smart City. Smart City is not only a place to have fun, but also to connect and create relationships with our brand fans and between themselves. Welcome. So, this is me in the metaverse. Modern, but a little vintage, right? Kind of thorn. My tag is Arturito79 Chico Paulista. Okay, you can find me there. Let me tell you how the game works. So you fly in through your parachute, you land, and you start looking for a Z Flip 4, which is hidden somewhere, right? So you're going around and suddenly pops up that, I'm going to use here my friend. I'm going to say his tag.